So here we are on the set of The Big Bang Theory, kind of, at least my version. Don't know how I'm going to get that camera back out of there. So there's a kind of downward view of the stairs going down. I think the brickwork looks pretty cool. A few little touch-up bits. Can't see my shadow there. No idea how I did that. So what I've now done is I've made this foam board box thingy because obviously this needs to go downstairs, so we need to create that. So it's basically just a square box that this all sits on, really. And this is Penny's room inside. So that's pretty much it, really. It's got to sit there, and I'll probably use what it actually is as a storage area for things like wiring and batteries. So yeah, it's looking good. Here we go, this is what I'm on with. I've cut this short. I think it looks so much better there. We get a really nice shadow here that will be lit eventually. We get a nice dark shading here as it goes down the stairs. It now covers up here. This is removable, obviously. So look at that, it looks nice. It's starting to come all nice and compact now. This will all be painted, obviously, when I'm done. I've intentionally left these sections here for the moment because I can get my fingers under to lift it. So that's it, that's where we are. That's the plan, that's the hope. So, yes, I'm happy with that so far. Okay, cool. Right, after some faffing about, we've finally got the lower stairwell in, and all bricked up. Obviously, it still needs work, it still needs painting, it still needs the carpets, as does the upper level. So, but they are done. That is done. Took a lot more than I thought, as always the case. Here we are then. It may look very similar to what we've already seen, however, what I've had to do to make it look right is there was a white section here which has now been removed, and the brickwork has obviously been continued around the back, which we're going down the stairs properly. So that's now a little more accurate and I'm happier. So all brickwork in place. Still got some work to do on the stairs, obviously. But getting there. Happy days. There we are. So I always say there we are. Or okay then. Okay then, there we are. So I've got the skirting boards in both sides. They've just been put in, so the glue's not set yet. It stops here, as you can see, because beyond this line of sight this won't be seen, so there is actually no point in carrying that on this way. That's the only reason that's like that. There you are. More paint needed on the stairs, of course, and of course the other set. So this is how we are to this point. The top section put back in place. It's difficult to film down there. And there it is. Once again, forward, moving forward every time. And there's a look up the stairs to this side of Penny's side of the steps, some dodgy paintwork, and up at the lamp. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove this piece and cut it down from this piece here. So I'm going to cut that off because make it work for myself as usual. I'll show you what I'm going to do. Okay, what I've done is I've made this box. Okay, now I need to mount that on here because that's going to be the back of one of the doors that I'm going to fit a light inside, and just leave the door open, ajar just slightly, so you can see a light from inside. I know, more work for me, but hopefully more entertainment for you. Okay, this is the base idea. Now I've only stuck the back on really loose, a little bit of tack in each corner, just so I'm going to have to remove it to actually preset the door in its proper place. But you kind of get the idea. So I'll try and pop this up for you. Okay, it's going to add a battery to this so you get an idea of just a hint of a light from behind the door, hopefully. There you go. Is that the boys? Penny, or even Amy. I've left the door open a little bit while they nip across the hall. Not a finished product obviously, but you get the drift. Right, here we are, next stage. We've moved on somewhat. As you can see, the doors are now fixed on both sides, and I've left them ajar on both sides. There's still more work to do, obviously, because what we're going to do is we're going to, as you can see here, I'll put boxes on here, and there's wiring, as you can see, so there's going to be, well, there are lights fitted inside the boxes. So when everything's on, there will be a light from behind the door as the door's left ajar. And that's a nice little touch, I think. Yeah, this is so difficult to record. As you can see, there's a light behind the door. There's lights on the landing. And of course, the lights are on the stairs. So again, forward, always moving forward. I'm liking what I'm seeing, it's coming on really nice. The lights of course on the other side for Penny's doors are the same. Well, there we are. We've come to the end of another edition, for want of a better word. So, moving close now on both sides, both the diner and on this one. So I've got other things in mind. I've got a couple of things I want to do, and there's something that's been kind of half started I might do. You'll have to wait and see for those ones. So we're back in lockdown. Happy days. Oh well, we'll get through it like we did the last one and the one before, and well, maybe any future ones. Hopefully we'll get rid of all this stuff and we get back to normal. Meanwhile, I'll get them out as soon as I can, so to speak. So thanks for watching. Once again, thanks for subscribing, always appreciate that. Don't forget to like and smash that like button, and share it with your friends if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, just leave a comment and say it was rubbish. So we'll sort that out. Take care of yourself, stay safe.